Good morning, children. Welcome to our social science class. In our previous class, we studied about a few celestial bodies such as sun, star and planets. So today we can study a little more information about the moon. The moon. Children, you all know that the moon is a celestial body and which is very close to our earth. Can you tell me the distance between the moon and the earth? It is 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. That is, it is very close to our earth than the sun. So, from the earth, when we are observing the moon, we can see that we always see the one side of the moon. Can you tell me why? We cannot see the opposite side of the moon. We always see the one side of the moon. Why? Yes, children, the moon takes 27 days to go around the earth and the moon takes the same time to complete one spin around its axis. That is why we always see the one side of the moon. See, earth. So moon. Moon moves around the earth. So moon is revolving around the earth. So from the earth we can see only one side. We cannot see the opposite side of the moon because the moon takes 27 days to go around the earth and it also takes the same time to complete one spin around its axis. We can always see the one side of the moon. Children, can you tell me what is the importance of June 21st? Yes, it is the moon day. Did you remember? We observed last year the moon day in our school with different activities. So, on this day, Neil Armstrong, he landed on the moon. He was an American astronaut and he gathered more information about the moon and shared with us. Then, children, if you are observing a full moon, you can see many shadows on the earth because the moon has many landforms like mountains, plains and big holes. These holes are called depressions or craters. So because of these different landforms, they cast shadows on the surface of the moon. So on a clear night, if we are observing the moon, we can see that many dark patches, shadows on the moon. Next, we can learn about asteroids. Children, next we can study about asteroids. You all are familiar with many celestial bodies. Sun, moon, stars, planet, etc. Have you ever heard about asteroids? Yes. Yes, you studied in our previous class asteroid belt. So, what is an asteroid? An asteroid is a celestial body which is revolving around the sun. They are very small pieces of rocks found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. So these asteroids are rocky pieces, small rocky pieces. They are found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. And according to the scientist viewpoint, these asteroids are the broken parts of the planets. And children, the biggest asteroid is called Ceres. I hope that you have got an idea about asteroids. What are asteroids? Asteroids are small bodies which are found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and they are revolving around the sun just like planets and other celestial bodies. Next, children, we can learn about meteoroids. They are also celestial bodies. Celestial means something connected with the sky or space. So, meteoroids are celestial bodies which are rocky pieces like asteroids. These meteoroids are also small pieces of rocks which are revolving around the sun. I repeat, meteoroids are pieces of rocks which are found in the space and they are revolving around the sun. Children, sometimes these meteoroids fall on the surface of the earth and create huge hollow. Hollow means there is holes, and they make damages to plants and animals. But we know that our earth has atmosphere, a thin layer of air. So when the meteoroids are passing through the layers of atmosphere, they rub with the atmosphere. That is, there is friction between the air and the meteoroids, and they heats up and starts burning. So they burn from the atmosphere itself, thus protect our earth. Our atmosphere is protecting us from the meteorites hit. Then children, see, while moving through this air, sometimes the unburned part of meteoroids, sometimes the complete part is not burned. Unburned part maybe fall on the earth surface and create hollows. Hope that you got idea about the meteoroids. And children, the scientist says that meteoroids are smaller than asteroids. Clear? Let us talk about galaxy and universe. Galaxy and universe. Children, next we can learn about a galaxy and universe. So, children, have you observed a clear starry night? Then you can see a whitish band across the sky, or you can see a glowing path across the sky. That is a galaxy. So, galaxy means a cluster of billions of stars, dust and gases. I repeat, a galaxy is a cluster. Cluster means group. A group of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. And our galaxy, our solar system is part of a galaxy. Its name is Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. Our sun, 8 planets, their satellites, all are part of this Milky Way galaxy. So children, in ancient time, people called the Milky Way galaxy Akash Ganga. Akash Ganga. Can you tell me why the people called Milky Way Akash Ganga? Because people believed that there is a river which is full of light. They thought that a river is flowing with light. So they called Milky Way galaxy Akash Ganga. And can you tell me how much is 1 billion? 1 billion. 1 billion equals 100 crore. Okay. Then children, we can learn about universe. We can talk about our universe. The children, what is the difference between galaxy and the universe? See, galaxy, we told that it is a cluster of billions of stars, dust and gases. Whereas a universe is a huge system of millions of galaxies. Millions of galaxies together form our universe. So suppose that, imagine this is our universe. See, in this universe we can see millions and millions of galaxies. So stars are the galaxy. Millions of galaxies together we call our universe. And you are living on the planet Earth. Our Earth is a part of the solar system. And the solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way galaxy is part of the universe. So children, imagine how big our universe is. It is beyond our imagination. So children, hope that you all have got idea about asteroid, meteoroids, galaxy and the universe. So here comes an end to today's module, and we will meet again in the next class. Thank you children.